So today's trading was pretty bad for me, but I still made profit. So coming into the day, I was bullish because yesterday we had this pretty bullish candle. We swept every liquidity since the past 2 weeks, I don't know. And so yeah, I was bullish. Look at the markets yesterday. Bam, opening New York Asia session was pretty no movement, but in London session we were bullish and then had a manipulation down. At pre-market we were again bullish and then manipulated down again to sweep this pre-market low to get to the London high. And this also was my draw on liquidity. The London high was my draw on liquidity. I thought, okay, we're gonna get this sell side and then move to London's high. So I was bullish for the day, yes. But I will explain what I've done today. So coming into the day, I was bullish like I explained, but we opened with this big candle and inverted then right here. I waited for a break of structure. You can see it. I waited for a break of structure for long here. And then was this I thought, okay, now I made my entry because we have this fair value gap. We come here and react from it. But I didn't make my entry because this wasn't a 100% fair value gap, because 100% fair value gaps looks like this, where there's a candle missing, but 100% fair value gaps looks like something like that. There is 3 candles with the same color, and then this is a fair value gap for me. So I thought, okay, I will wait. Maybe we have a better fair value gap for a entry. And then we break structure to the downside. We inverse this here. We broke structure to the downside. We hit this fair value gap again after the inversion. And then I thought, okay, maybe we are bearish. We create this fair value gap and react then from this is a perfect fair value gap, like I would say, like I explained right now. And we entered it and then reacted from it, and then I made my entry. And yeah, immediately got stopped out. So the mistake on this trade is that I tried to short after we I don't know what I've tried. I tried to short after we inversed, after we swept this liquidity. It's not a perfect liquidity sweep, yeah, that's because I entered the trade, but the liquidity under here was grabbed with this was grabbed with this wick. So like I explained, okay, we move into this. I had a limit order here. I had a limit order right here, but I couldn't end, but the limit order didn't catch, so I moved the limit order a little bit down, and then I got my entry filled here. And yeah, then I entered the trade and got immediately stopped out. Yeah, I know it's a mistake because I wanted to be in this trade right here, so I wanted that the trade will look something like first take profit, second profit. I wanted to that the trade looks something like that, but I didn't get the fill. And then out of FOMO, I entered right here at this level of the wick and got stopped out because we already swept this liquidity. I would have made my first take profit here and then moved my stop loss at break even, or got at break even, and wouldn't be stopped out, so I wouldn't lost money. I wouldn't have lost money today, but I didn't get my fill and tried to catch the move, but there wasn't a move. But I tried to catch the move after this wick here, and that's a pretty stupid thing which I've done. Yeah, I don't know why I've done it, but it was pretty stupid. But yeah, luckily I recouped my loss and regained every dollar I lost and made about $364 in profit again. So I will explain this. We broke then, we inversed in this fair value gap from which I entered before, and we inversed with this candle, and then I made directly my entry here with 3 micros, and I wanted one take profit here, one take profit here, and then I wanted to let a runner run to this London high. Yeah, this was a perfect entry, perfect trade, but I misclicked here. I entered here. Oh no, wait. That here with 3, yes. Yeah. On this wick, I misclicked. I entered again with 3 micros. So I needed to close them again with profit. So I closed them here with profit. And then, yeah, and then I got FOMO. I closed 1 micro here, but the plan was to close it here at this level, but I closed it here. Then I closed another micro by accident, entered again with a micro, and then closed everything like I planned. 1 micro at this level here. See it? Yeah, 1 micro at this level and 1 micro at this top. So I squeezed as much out as I could and made about $364 in profit. And with the first trade, I lost about 200. Wait, how many micros? 4 micro. Oh, I entered with 4 micros on this trade. So 8 times 32, $250 I lost and made $364. So yeah, my total profit with the second trade is 250 plus 364, $614 with this trade, but because of the loss I only made 364. So yeah, I'm not happy with this day. I'm not happy what I've done. I'm not happy with this misclicking, I don't know what this is. That's not clean, and I'm not happy with this fucking trade. Oh shit. That's a pretty dumb and stupid trade. But yeah, I'm fine with it. I made profit today and it's okay for me, but it shows me that there is so much to improve in trading, because this is not a good mindset trade. It's not clean. Yeah, but okay. And I'm also not happy with this trade, but I'm fine with it. I made money, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. We see us tomorrow. Bye.